Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a deep dive into a muscle car that blends the best of the old and new, the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra 1969. This is a modern reimagining of a classic American icon, and we'll explore everything from the exterior design to the interior, performance, and pricing. And yes, it comes in a stunning black color that'll make heads turn wherever it goes. Let's jump right into it. Starting with the exterior, this car is an absolute beauty. Ford has nailed the design, maintaining the aggressive, timeless lines of the 1969 Torino Cobra, but with some modern twists. The black paint job is deep and glossy, giving the car a commanding presence. The long, muscular hood with its twin scoops hints at the power under the hood, while the bold grille and classic Cobra badges give it an unmistakable vintage flair. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing wide tires that not only look great, but also help with the car's handling. Chrome accents on the mirrors, grille, and side trim really pop against the sleek black body, making it a showstopper from every angle. Inside, the Torino Cobra 1969 continues the blend of retro and modern. The black leather seats are a perfect match for the exterior, offering both comfort and style. They're supportive enough for spirited driving, but still feel luxurious on long cruises. The dashboard takes you back to the 60s with its classic design, but now it's fully equipped with modern technology like a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system. It feels like you're sitting in the perfect blend of past and future. The steering wheel has a traditional muscle car feel, solid, responsive, and built for performance, while the rest of the cabin is well appointed, with high-quality materials throughout. The attention to detail is truly impressive, and it's clear Ford went the extra mile to keep the spirit of the original car alive while making it just as comfortable and tech-savvy as today's vehicles. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the Torino Cobra really shines. Under the hood, you've got a beastly V8 engine, delivering that signature muscle car sound that's bound to get your adrenaline pumping. It's not just about noise, though. The car accelerates with incredible power and precision. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or hitting high speeds on the freeway, the Torino Cobra handles it all with ease. The transmission is smooth, and the suspension has been updated to ensure the car feels solid but responsive, with a handling balance that's rare for cars in this class. When you hit the brakes, they're strong and dependable, giving you confidence to drive the Torino hard without hesitation. As for pricing, this muscle car comes with a price tag that reflects its quality and performance. The 2025 Ford Torino Cobra 1969 starts at around $70,000, which may sound steep, but when you consider the blend of nostalgic design, modern features, and raw power, it's a price tag that feels justified for a car this iconic. And of course, with options for customizations and special features, you can make it truly your own, but that will likely push the price a bit higher. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra 1969 in black is an absolute masterpiece. It perfectly blends the nostalgia of the classic muscle car with the technology and performance of modern vehicles. Whether you're an enthusiast looking to relive the glory days of American muscle, or someone looking for a stunning performance car that makes a statement, this Torino Cobra has it all. If you've got the budget for it, this car is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews like this one.